Okay, why is the harvest season so significant to you?
The trees, they are singing to the tune of a song, and the wind is gently ringing the bell that brings the morning, the welcome of the dawn.
Honestly, I think that I had the desire to counter the culture a little bit. A lot of the culture focused in on Halloween and ghosts and goblins and skeletons. And raising my kids, I wanted to counter that a little bit. And my wife and I kind of agreed, let's think of something that might be different that we can focus in on. And one of the things we thought about was harvest time, because it's around the time where farms around the country are basically kind of pulling from that which has been produced during the summer and the winter months. Just want to be thankful for God for what He's producing.
I've always loved the fall. It's so refreshing to come out of heat and into the crisp breeze and colorful leaves. There's something reassuring about the seasons. It shows me not only the sovereignty of God, but His intentionality. The earth just knows when to change and doesn't fight it. And it's because God set it in motion, down to the smallest detail we wouldn't even think twice about. The earth is the Lord's, and He's the faithful keeper of it. So if He can keep the earth as well as He does,